This video shows how to use our map viewer for mineral resources including metallic ores, industrial minerals and natural stone. When opening the map viewer, you'll see the most important Norwegian deposits within each of these research groups. When zooming in on the map, more details will appear. Smaller symbols are prospects and occurrences as well as related areas. You can read more about different mineral occurrence types if you click on the Help banner in the main menu to the right. Fact sheets about each object are available if you click on them in the map. They may include general information, sample and analysis, literature and more. To close the fact sheet, click on the cross in the upper right corner. If you hit several objects in the map, you'll get a list of objects to choose from. For further details on commodity types in the map view, go to Maps and Thematic Maps in the main menu. Choose Commodity Group, Industrial Minerals, Natural Stone or Metals. Available maps include deposits that have been assessed with respect to public importance, commodity types, drill cores stored at the National Drill Core and Sample Center, mineral rights, protected areas, and bedrock geology. Please note that prospects and occurrences are not assessed for public importance as they are less documented than the deposits. Layers showing mineral rights and protected areas are provided by the Directorate of Mining and the Norwegian Environment Agency. If you prefer to show these data in your own GIS system, they are available as web map service and for downloading.